Our recording is coming up. Our recording is taking time. Good evening, everybody. Welcome to AI and Automation Masterclass. And today is day 2. Day 1 was fantastic. So please, if you're here to catch up with day 1, kindly check our YouTube channel or check the WhatsApp group. You get to find day 1 project. And of course, in our day 1, that was yesterday, we look at what AI means, we look at what automation means, and we did a lot of theory. But today, we are building on what we've learned. Now we can see that automation is very, very easy, right? Very, very easy, not difficult at all. I want to appreciate everyone who have completed and submitted their projects. My aim before now was, if you did not submit day 1 project, you will not be able to join day 2, but I have to just pardon. But please, my goal is not just to come here and teach. My goal is you do it, you apply it, you do it for other persons. Let's make our work easier, faster, instead of focusing on repetitive tasks. And today we are building another project because this 3 days training, I want to make it project-based training. Project-based. I'm not here to talk, right? So today is our day 2. And of course, we're wrapping up tomorrow. Tomorrow we have 2 projects and you'll be selecting one. So please stay tuned so that I can select the one that is most pressing to you. What are we doing today? We are building a project called AI Automated Monthly Email Newsletter. Who can break this keyword into a chunk for me? Mr. Joseph, blessing. Do you want to try? Look at this project topic. How well do you understand this topic? Just talk to me so you can unmute your mic and speak. AI Automated Monthly Email Newsletter. Please tell me something about it. Mr. Joseph Blessing. Okay, no feedback. Mr. Kim, tell me something about this project title. No feedback. Can I be heard? It's like nobody can hear me. Please give me a thumbs up if you can hear me. Thank you so much. Okay, Mr. Yodeji, thank you so much. I'd love to hear from you, sir. This topic. So do you want to tell me something about this topic?
All right, so can you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah, so what I think about this is that so there will always be, so an AI automated monthly email newspaper is a newsletter that goes out monthly, that goes out to maybe the stakeholders or the organization monthly based on whatever you want to input in it, so that they can go through and get wiser kind of things. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. Of course, yes. So now, businesses, organization, most times you will discover that every month they send you email. Most times always come as newsletter, monthly. Some can be bi-weekly. Some can be, I don't want to see daily, it's not possible. I don't can see daily. But if you also want it daily, that's what achieve it. But now, we don't want a technical writer. We don't want a content writer. We want AI to generate the content for us. Idea, AI will generate the content. We are going to tell AI the type of content that we want. We're going to tell AI to, and a bit, write it in a way that it suits our brand. Compose it. Maybe you want 500 characters, 200 words, whichever way you want it. You want it professional, friendly, human-like, all of those things. You define it. And then automatically, it sends it to your customers. Of course, via email. So every month, your customer receives email. Don't worry, that's the project we want to build. But the truth is, you build it once, you allow it run. Good. Who are we? Where we are and where we are headed. Of course, we started with day 1, right? Today we are in day 2, building this project. So for day 3, don't forget, I told you, we're going to vote. I have 2 projects in mind. We're going to vote. For agenda for tonight is number 1, We are looking at these projects. And of course, we are building this project for a loan brand. Yesterday was more of medical, right? Health. So today we are building it for a loan brand. So let's say a loan brand reach out to us, right, and give us these projects. We're going to build it. So that means every month they want to be sending automated email newsletter to their customers. Are you there? Good. So what is the technical setup? We're going to be using Google AppScript. We're going to be using Gmail. We're also going to be using Google Sheet integration. I'm going to walk you through all of this. What's the business value? The truth is, why every brand needs this automation. Every brand needs this automation. I'm going to tell you why. Then the next one I'm going to look at, we're going to look at demo, how to build and deploy. We're going to build it tonight. We're going to deploy it. And of course, the last part is then you vote for tomorrow's project. So let's start. AI automated monthly email newsletter. What this system does, number one, it reads the customer list. The first thing you need to do is you need to compile all your customer emails. Are you there? You need to compile all your customers' email because, of course, an email newsletter. Number one. Number two, we now use AI to craft a personalized newsletter for our what? For our customers. Number three, rather, we're going to ingest loan products, loan updates, loan tips, loan offer into the email. That means, let's say, for example, now, if it sends January newsletter, it can focus on maybe if there's any updates. The following month can be like if there's any tips. The third month, if there's any offer, and so on and so forth, right? So that we're not getting the same email across board. We're getting dynamic email. For those who have been with EasyTech, you agree with me that every month you have been getting EasyTech newsletter. Yes or yes? Mr. Adeji, you have been getting it. Yeah, I don't need to talk more. If you have been with EasyTech for a while, you'll have been sending you monthly news, and this is 100% automated. Now, when I say automated by with AI, AI is doing something. Now, let me say something. The project we built yesterday, there was no AI. Please, let's get it straight. I will tell you why. There's no AI at all. It's just a normal workflow. I will tell you why. When they fill the form, they get an email. Nothing happened. Even though if 1 million persons fill the form, what happened? They get the same template, the same body. Nothing changed. Yes or yes? Yes. But today we are adding AI into it. So AI will be the one to think and craft the email and then send it out. The following month, AI again will do the processing again and send the email. The following month, AI again. Now, can you see? There's now artificial intelligence. So we are going to tell AI the brand tone and every other information that it needs. So it sends it to the email, and then every user gets the email. We can also create a tracking system. I'm going to do that also. So create a tracking system so that when it sends it for, let me say, January, it will write sent, email sent, so that we are sure that this email has been sent to the user. And of course, we can create some tracking system around. Sometimes these people might give us wrong emails. It's possible. So, and all of those things. So we can do all of those things also. And of course, zero manual effort. So it runs 100% on Google Sheets. Sorry, on Google AppScript. Yeah. So how the newsletter automation works, the first thing is every month it does a trigger. So you're going to set monthly trigger. But because of tonight's class, we will not do monthly trigger. What should we do? I want somebody to talk. What should we do? What type of trigger should we do? I want everybody to test it. So we're going to do 5-minute trigger. So every 5 minutes, it will send an email. So after now, you cannot change your own to what? To monthly. Because if I send it now, the following will be till next month and we cannot wait, right? So I'm going to do like 5 minutes. So 5 minutes, you get an email. I'm going to test it. After 5 minutes, you get another email. After 5 minutes again, get another email. So that's what we want to do tonight. Thank you so much, Mr. Odeji. Yes, more like a daily trigger, right? More like a daily trigger, but we're going to like make it much more lenient. So more like every 5 minutes. We can do every minute too, right? Good. Okay. So monthly trigger. Now it goes through the customer list, right? Goes through the customer list, and then AI generates the newsletter, and then now the way it works. Let me tell you something. The way it works, AI AI will do the crafting of the email. AI will craft just one email, and then even though the list is 1,000, it will send that same copy to all the 1,000. The following month, AI will craft the email once and send it to all the email leads. So that means it will not be, because the more AI is generating the content, is consuming AI credits, because of AI credits. So of course, we're going to use Gemini tonight because Gemini is free. And of course, to personalize it and also ensure that it also suits your brand. Yes, suits your brand. Good. So we also have Gemini API that sends email across all your leads. Good. So this is the technical setup, of course. The automation brain, the zero infrastructure as Google Cloud, the built-in trigger, the sheet integration, error handling, all of these things will be taught in the practical class. So of course, yesterday you've seen how we vibe coded to achieve these tasks as seamless as possible. Seamless. Type what you want. AI gives you the code, copy the code, paste the code, and then run it. You achieve your goal. Now, why is this solution very important? Because we're not just building for building sake. We must know if I create a customer newsletter, email newsletter, what is the importance, right? What are the importance? Number one, we can see 6 times higher email open rates with personalization. We can see 6 times better. You know, the normal email, most times, in fact, I've seen some emails that when I saw it, I was like, what is this? Sometimes it irritates me. I will quickly close it, right? But if you look at the one we are building at Easy Tech, please agree with me that it's professional. I saw the one Humble built, and then she shared it on LinkedIn. I was very amazed. She just shared it on WhatsApp group. I was very impressed. And I also saw some other students that also completed their task and they submitted it. You to compare that with the ones you've been seeing before now, you agree with me that it's top notch, it's professional. So people tends to open it, people tends to read it, and it's also personalized. If you look at some emails, they're too long, too worded, right? But of course, I'm going to see how to build it more better. And for me, the most fantastic part of Google AppScript is what? Is fish. So sorry, I built something similar to this and I charge 250. And this is zero setup. You're paying for nothing. Nothing. I built something like this, I charge 500. Zero setup. Like zero set. You're not paying for any subscription. When I say any, nothing. And that's why I love teaching Google AppScript, because most times when it comes to anything, subscription fee. When it comes to make.com, subscription fee. Google AppScript, you can achieve there was something I did in class. Let me do it today so that I'm going to open your eyes, because it's not just about this project. There are thousands and thousands of projects you can build. Let's do this together. I want to open your eyes tonight. And I want everybody to go to ChatGPT. Please go to your ChatGPT, go to Gemini, whichever AI you want to use, and type 20 projects you can achieve with Google AppScript. Please, let's do it together. 20 projects that you can achieve, you can complete with Google AppScript. Just type it and let's see something together. So please, when you're done, just raise your hand. I'm going to give you opportunity to speak. Yes. 20 projects that can be achieved with Google AppScript. Yes. Just raise your hand. Yes. Mr. Odeji, do you want to speak? I can see your emoji. So let's see something together. Yes, please. Mr. Odeji, you can proceed, sir.
All right, so I can see automated email sender, daily report generator, meeting reminder bot, form auto response system, auto file organizer, AI powered monthly newsletter. Okay, I think that's what we're trying to do today. KPI dashboard updater, data cleaning scripts, Slack email alerts for threshold, attendance tracker system, call log analyzer, weekly
No,
performance
have you
summary
heard
for.
yourself? Yeah.
Can you hear me?
Yes, yes, we can hear you.
Can I proceed?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so automated invoice generator, real-time dashboard web app, CRM automation system, ticket routing system, forecasting to WFM level 100%, employee productivity tracker, and smart data validation system. Those are 20 that I got from
Thank
ChatGPT.
you so much, sir. Yes, thank you so much, sir. I deeply appreciate you. Now, you two, we have seen it ourselves. We have seen it. We've heard it also ourselves. This is just 20. You can do 100. This will tell you that what Google AppScript can do is uncountable. But one thing I love about it is what? 100% free. Why I'm saying 100% free is because most of the businesses out there, they also want something like this. They don't want to spend more on either Microsoft or this application or that too. How much they are spending on, there's one tool we're using them. I've forgotten the name of the two. All of these tools that you use now, you spend on those infrastructures, but it's 100% free on Google AppScript. Humble, round is raised.
Yeah, did you want me to go ahead and tell you what I got?
I'm struggling to hear you clearly. I don't know.
Can you hear
So,
me? I said,
yeah.
do you want me? Do you want me to
Oh
go
no,
ahead
no,
and
no.
tell you what I got?
Oh no, it's fine. Oh no, it's fine. It's fine. You can just copy and paste on the chat box. Just copy and paste on the chat box so everybody can also go to get to it. Thank you so much. So we can see, and number two, 100% customer reached every month. So now, why this project is important? Number one, customer retention. You to assume you have customers and you don't reach out to them. But when you reach out to them, you put them in remain in reminder. You keep existing customers. Don't forget, no, this project is started on low now. You can actually take it to other sectors. Good. So you keep your customers engaged. Number two, upsell opportunities. When they start seeing your emails, it will make them to apply for more loans. Sorry to say, but of course now they will know they will always be at the top of their your company will always be at the top of their minds, right? You tell them about maybe a new product, a new service, a new update, a new this. You keep your leads warm. Number three, trust and credibility. Some persons may not buy the first time. Yes. Some persons may not buy the second time. But when you keep sending them monthly emails, I know a student who has been watching us for like more than 1 year. The person has been on our community, I mean, is the community, but the person did not register. But then the person has been seeing our emails, our messages, our project, and a whole lot. All of a sudden, they just say, "Oh, I want to register." Are you there? It also builds trust and credibility. Number four, we have repayment reminder. We have targeted messaging. We have zero work, I mean zero manual work. You can see the benefits. So now, why I always say this is most times automation specialists will always focus on the tools. I'm going to use AppScript, I'm going to use code. This is what they want to hear. They want to hear that, oh, if I help you build an automated newsletter, it will save this, it will save this, it will build trust, it will build customer retention, it will help you to, you know, to make your leads warm and many more. These are things they want to hear. And of course, I've said it, this project can be applied to various sectors. Banking sectors, they need it. Schools and academics, they need this solution. In the e-commerce sector, of course, but they even need it more. Thank you so much. In consulting agency, they need something like this, automated monthly email newsletter. In the health sector, they need something like this. Corporate HR teams, they need something like this. Real estate, even yes, was not today. I got an email from a real estate company, like more like greeting and all of those things. And tech startup, SaaS, people need this solution. And one beautiful part of it is you can complete it in less than 60 minutes. Yes, in less than 60 minutes. Okay, I've been saying theory. I just believe that we should go into practical now. So of course, I'm also going to ensure that this slide gets to you so that you also have a copy to go through it. So let's go and build. Let's go and build. Let's go and build. So let's go and build. Let me stop presenting and then we go and build. So please, the way we did it yesterday, I want us to do it today. The way we did it yesterday, so that my screen can come up clearly and then it does not get to lag. And I've also worked on my network to ensure that the network itself. Coming up now. Now today we are not creating form. I not creating. Good. So we are assuming that we already have the email. Let me do this. Let me do this way. So what we need is we need to connect to AI. For you to connect to AI, we have different AI tools we can use. We can use Gemini. We can use Perplexity. We can use OpenAI. We can use Claude, and many. But for tonight's class, we're going to use Gemini. And why I'm using Gemini is because it's free. I would have loved us to use OpenAI, but so many of you might not be able to use it, right? So all you need to do is just go to Google and type Google API key. Google API key. So click on it and then go to the first one. Can you see Google API key? This is the website, aistudio.google.com. So click on it, takes you to the website. Let me also share the website with you. Control C. So let me share it. It's on the main group. Thank you. So help me share this link. Yes. So it's coming up now. So what we want here is to get an API key. Now, what is API? API is Application Programming Interface. Some of you, it might be very new. Of course, this API topic is very, very long. But please pardon me, I will not be able to dissect it tonight, right? I'm not able to dissect it tonight. But of course, what API helps us to do is it helps us to communicate to Gemini from the back end. Something like that. Just use that to like grab what I'm trying to say. So instead of you go and message Gemini, open Gemini and type Gemini, no, it will pass through that route, right? Good. So click on that link and then you get to this interface. Now you come to this part and says get API key. So click on it. When you click on it, it takes you to this interface. The next thing to do is click on create API key. So click on it. And then you need to create your key. Please, when you create your key, please ensure that you do not share it. If you share it, I can use your account. I can use your and then you can click on create key, and then you can get your key. So is this key you're going to be using to communicate, right? So this is it, especially for me. Can you see? Today is March 20th. All you need to do is just come to this part and click on copy, but we're not copying it now. So let me grab the email. Let me use the form we did yesterday. Let me use the form we did yesterday because I already have your email. So let me just use that to, don't forget, automated email newsletter. So where's the one we created yesterday? Medic consult, right? Medic consult. So this medic consult comes to responses. Please, if you are not in class yesterday, please, how should I do it? Please quickly fill this form. Please quickly fill this form. If you're not in class yesterday, because I don't want, please, if you're not in class yesterday, please fill this form. Please fill this form like right now, Please quickly fill the form. The form was what we did yesterday. So I don't want us to be sending our emails on the chat box. I respect our privacy. But please quickly fill the form now if you're not in class yesterday. So this is the email we want to use because yesterday you already filled your email. So we're using your email, right? We're using your email. So now, because I want, okay, let me click here, click on this file. Let me click on new, open new spreadsheet. Good, new spreadsheet. Okay. So please, have you filled the form? Please fill the form. I'm expecting other persons to fill the form. Please let me very, very fast, like very, very fast. I want to work on it now. I want to work on it now. Please, if your email is not there, if we are testing it, you will not receive email. Please, if we are testing it, you will not receive email. But if you're here yesterday, don't bother to fill the form again. I already have your email. These are all the responses. Are we done? All right, so I believe we are good to go. Let me see. 39. We're good to go. So please, now, I don't need all the information here. Actually, I don't need all the information here. So I only need the email and the name, right? So let me just come here, copy these two columns, Control C. So of course, it's important. Data analyst, we do what? We do data cleaning. Good. Data cleaning. Data cleaning is what? Is the process of identifying, correcting errors, inconsistency in data to improve its quality. One of the things we do when we clean our data is to do what? To remove duplicates. Now, if I use this email, of course, they are duplicates because some of you filled the form 3 times yesterday. So that means if I automate email to you, you're going to get it 3 times, and I don't want that, right? So let me remove all the what? All the duplicates. So I will highlight it this way, Control Shift down, Control Shift this. So do it yourself, right? Come to data, come to there's one small icon here that can use to remove duplicates. Where is it? This is it. Remove duplicates. So I'll click here. I will click on remove duplicate from email. That's column B. Click on OK. Good. So can you see 12 duplicates removed? So I've removed all the duplicates. Now I have unique emails and unique full name. So please, you can change this the way you want it to. You can say full name to be on column A and then email to be on column B, depending on how you want it. You can do it any way you want it. Are you there? And also, I don't really like the way this name appears. I can format it and just say equal to proper. That is just to make it more better, right? Hit enter. Then I'm going to fill it down. This is more of data analysis. Oh no, what's this? Yeah, good. So this is more of data analysis. This is not filling up for me. Why is it filling the same thing? Great. So now I can now come here. I can press. So let me say Control C. So let me Control Shift V here. Right, good. So don't mind me, these are all cleaning. So I'm just trying to remove duplicates. Right, so I don't want this column again. Delete. Good. So of course, it's important that you have your email. So these are all my emails. And what I've done is I've ensured that there's no duplicate email. I've ensured that there's no duplicate email, right? There's no duplicate email. So we're good to go. We are good to go. So I will highlight it, Control C. Then I will come to this part. Good. So this is spreadsheet I want to use. Can you see? It's a blank spreadsheet. So I can come here and give it a name. I said we should give it a loan name. What name should I give it? A loan name. We are bidding for a loan company. Who wants to help us? Who wants to help us? Just give us any name. Just give us any name. Loan. Mr. Excel, Acha. No. EasyTech is not doing loan, Mr. Odeji. EasyTech loan, no. Mr. Excel, give us any name. Just give us any name. EasyTech is not doing loan, no. I want to be able to sleep at night. Nobody's giving us name.
Yeah.
Yes,
You
please
can
go ahead.
hello, can you hear me? You can call it you can call it star star company.
Star Company.
Star United.
Star United. Yeah? Oh gosh. No,
It's
okay, I love this one.
Star Limited.
Okay, I love this one. I love sweet. I love this one. Sweet loan. SWIFT, right? Let me just say loan. I can now send the email, right? Sweet loan email. Good. So then I can do what? I can paste Control Shift V to do what? To paste. Now can you see the name is here? You can rearrange it. Mr. Adekunle, I missed you. How have you been? Wow, it's been a very long time. I'm so happy. I'm so happy to see you on this call. Wow. Thank you so much for doing this section. Please, you can rearrange this. You can make the full name to be here, email to be here. Please, if there are other more columns you want to add, you can still add them. But because of this class, I just want to make it very simple, at least simple to the core. Now, the next thing is to do what? Go to your ChatGPT. Today, we're going to test it just twice, right? Just twice. Version 1 and version 2. We're good to go. All right, it's fine, humble. I'm missing you too. So go to your GPT. We're already here. Good. And then we vibe code, just the way we did yesterday. So what do you want? We tell GPT that generate an app script for me. Now, I want to do something today. I want to teach you prompting, but I want to use reverse engineering to teach you prompting. So let's say, for example, now you don't know how to write prompts, right? You don't know how to write prompts, but this is it. They're going to write it anyhow, but you now tell GPT to give you the prompts. Let's do it together. Don't let me talk more. So generate for me an app script that can send monthly email newsletter. Have you now? Email newsletter to my email leads. Then you can now see my Google Sheet. You need to share the way it looks like on your Google Sheet. Just come here and highlight it this way. Control C, and then you come here, Control V. So that when it's helping you to write the app script, the code, is helping you to also map it accordingly. Email, map it well, full name, map it well. Good. Then you can now proceed. You can now say, right, I want to use Google API, right, to compose the email. So it already understood that. Good. Now, if you are using Claude, you mention it. If you're using Perplexity, you mention it. If you're using ChatGPT, that's OpenAI, you mention it. You can use any AI tool, right? Just get the API and you're good to go. But for this class, I'm using Gemini. And why I'm using Gemini is because it's free. It's free. It's not like free forever, but they have daily free token, right? They usually allocate. All right, good. So now, if you write it this way, it will just generate something random. We call something prompts. So you come here and you define the prompt. Now, this is where you will tell AI the type of emails it should be composing for you every month. This is where you need to now tell it. What like the prompt? You now say, I have a loan app. Now, what I always do sometimes, I put the link of the website. So let me see, if a customer gives me the project, I will intentionally put the link of their website here, so that when it's composing the email, it can also help you to go and check the websites, see some update or trend, or at least one or two things. So that when it's sending the email, it's also looking at what the brand stands for. Are you there? It's not generating anything anyhow. So if you have more information about the loan app, please, this is where you need to like give it. So who wants to help us, like give us like some background information on how, or who is working as customer support specialist, and just help us. So I have a loan app called, or named, and I want to write it, named Swift Loan. We are excellent. I don't even know what to write. Excellent in offering loan. Have you offering flexible loan? Have you no? Now all of those grammar they always say offering flexible loan to customers, right? Good. So who wants to help me? This way I can stop. But of course, you need to. Mr. Ade, do you want to help me? Or let me do this way. All of those students who are saying sweet loan, instant loan, this loan, oh cash, come and help me. So how do we structure it? Unstoppable loan. Come and help me. So how do I continue? So offering loan. ensure that the email is woman-like, what else again? Woman-like, professional, and focus on, just define the way you want it. Yeah, I don't really have like a solid direction, right? So focus on let me say influencing customers to take a loan. Also, sometimes assuring them of no, just define it the way you want. I've not worked in a loan company before, so pardon me. But at least just mention some few things, like just give a more structure of how you want those emails to look like. Now, the ones I've been getting from Easy Tech, I've been the one doing it. The way I will say it, I will say, tell them the benefit of come and learn AI. That's the way I write my prompt. The benefit of learning AI, the benefit of analysis, tell them about how well our instructors are, how proficient, the benefit of taking this skill, you can get a job, get remote job, and all of those offers. So I always define it better because I'm already in that field. So wants to help me with this loan. I want somebody to help me. Somebody must help me. Somebody must help me. Just raise your hand and get to call you. Hey, I'm on my own today. Mr. Ade, come on.
Maybe you,
Okay. Yes, Mr. Lois, please go ahead, sir. Go ahead, sir.
okay, you tell them about our loan products.
Good.
And
Sometimes
our loan, this is what is it called? This is the rates. Why ours is
okay.
better than others? Why our
Okay,
loan rate is better than
yes,
others?
yes.
And we have like 3%, others have like 6%. So why our own is better than others? And our own is a monthly installment. Is a monthly installment or weekly installment or something? This kind of thing.
Thank you so much. Don't mind me. I've written everything. Of course, there are a lot of spelling error here, but don't mind me. Let's just overlook that for now. Thank you so much. Now I'm done. Now I'm done with like the prompt. You can now proceed. Make the email what professional. I mean the email body using HTML and CSS. Now, if you don't mention HTML and CSS, you just have a blank, just like a normal email. Don't forget, you myself, I don't want it. I don't like it, right? So you need to do it in a way that it looks great. HTML and CSS will do that for you. Now, for me, if I'm sending email newsletter, I don't want people to read my newsletter and then just click on back. I always like to put call to action. That is me, because I don't want to just read my email and then just go and just click on back and then just say, hey, I enjoy it. No, you enjoy it, but if you want to register. So for this now, I don't know, but if they want to, let me say, apply for loan, you can attach their email. So let me say, add a CTA button where they can easily apply for loan instantly. I call the email. So even if we send it from January or February or March, it will always have that CTA. Now, for me, I don't have any website. I'm going to add Easy Tech website to it. So, of course, if you have a website, okay, CTA means call to action. Oh, call to action. So it's like when you click on it, let's say you want to apply, and you click on it, then you take it to maybe their website or their page where you can easily apply for your loan. So, of course, newsletters are very fantastic, but for me, I always love putting or adding CTA. Don't just enjoy my newsletter and then click on back. I don't know. I've wasted my time. That's just my own mentality. So, but if you don't want it, just remove that part. But if you want it, you can do as I do. Okay. Now you can add more. Now, I want my email body at the tail end of it to have Facebook icon, LinkedIn icon, Instagram icon. So I will say add let me start with LinkedIn. LinkedIn is professional. LinkedIn icon, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, and it's enough. Icon. at the footer of the email. Just if you want to confirm the website and all of those things, it makes it very, very easy for them to work. Now, yesterday we added like a logo at the top of the email, but today now, should we add it? If you want to add it, it's very easy. If you don't want to add it, it's also fine, right? So depend on you. What else again? What else again? What else again? What else again do you want our email to contain? So let's say we are done. Let's say we are done. We'll just say, give me the full app script so I can copy and paste. Now, why am I adding this last part? I'm saying that give me the full app script. Sometimes it might break it. It might do HTML separate, CSS separate, this one separate, that one separate. But most times, so that it does not look very complicated to my students, I'll just say, compile everything into just one page. It will do it for you. All you just need to do is copy it and paste it once. So that's how I always use this last part. But now I will not write this last part because I want to teach you prompt engineering, but I want to use the reverse to teach you prompt engineering. I will now say generate the prompt to achieve this task. Now let's say you don't know how to write prompts, just like me. What I've done here is not a well-structured prompt, no doubt. But now I want to use reverse. Use the reverse engineering. So I've given it the information, but I'm not telling that, okay, give me the actual prompt that suits this. So I'll not say, give me the prompt. So I will say, give me the prompt for this. So I'll say, give me the what? The prompt. Good. Now hit enter. I'll hit enter. I'll hit enter. So now let's get the words, the prompts. Now you are going to see the prompt yourself. So can you see? Now can you now see? So normally, this is how I ought to write the prompt. Look at it. You are an expert email marketing content writer and financial service strategy. Hey, clap for me now. I believe I'm dishing out value tonight. Thank you so much, Mr. Adeji. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Only Mr. Adeji, Abi. Thank you so much, Mr. Lois. So now, normally, this is the actual prompt I ought to write. But I did a reverse engineering here. And I just told you now, a reverse engineering. Good. So I now said, your task is to generate a highly professional, human-like, persuasive monthly email newsletter. The context, Sweet Loan is a trusted financial this and this and this and this and this. And please, if this prompt does not suit what you want, you can edit it. Can you see? The email proposition, customer full name, this and this, their style. Can you see? Human like this and this and this. The content structure, the subject line, the personalized this. Can you see? Opening paragraph, the value proposition. In fact, there's something that is missing, not like missing. I don't want my emails to be too long. I could just say 150 to 250 characters, something like that. I don't want it to be too long. You can mention that also. So strong CTA, footer with social media link, CTA requirement, this and this and this and can you see the design requirement, a clean this and this and no man, this is how we ought to write it. And that's why most times I don't do copy and paste to my students. I can decide to do all of this prompt and just copy and paste it, but you don't understand what I'm doing here. My goal is I want to understand it as a layman, and that's what I'm doing here. Good. The format and this and this and can you see? Actually, this is the correct prompt we'll have used. So now I will now copy that prompt. I will paste that prompt again. So now this is the right prompt, right there. Good. So I cannot add that part. I will say make it. Let me see, maybe 200 to 250 characters. So where will I add that? I can add it here. I can add it here. I'll just say 150 to 250 words. Don't want it to be too long. I make it 500, but I don't want it to be too long. Now we are done, right? So let's say we are done with the prompt. So please ensure that you go through the prompt. If there's any area that you are not comfortable with, do what? Crash it, edit it, modify it, right? Good. So now I now say, give me the full app script, right? So I can copy and please don't mind I'm too fast. So I can copy and do what? And paste app script You can add code to it. That one you want. You give me the full AppScript code and copy and paste and hit enter. What will you do? Hey, there's something I forgot. All right, let's proceed. Let's proceed. Let's proceed. Let's proceed. Let's proceed. Let's proceed. Okay. Can you see? Generating everything for us. Generating everything for us. Now it's done. Right? Now is done. Then I would only do what? Copy it. Please, sometimes you might need to read all of this. Set up instruction. Open this, click on this, paste the code, replace this with this. Right? Sometimes you might need to read some of this. Sometimes those information are vital. Good. Now, go back to your what? To your spreadsheet. Do you remember this place? Click on extension, click on AppScript, and then you can paste your app script. And we're good to go. So now I'm not done. I'm not done. So I will copy what is here, you remove everything. Then you paste the one you got from Chat GPT. Now, if you run this, it will not work. Why? You have not added your API key. You've not added your API key. Now, because today's class is more like a beginner class, and I don't want to go deep. Normally, there's how you can hide your API key. But for today, I'm going to like show you. But after today, I'm going to delete it. I want to delete the API key because some of you, if you have access to it, you can use my access. So I will come here. I will go and grab the API key again. I will go and grab the API key again. So where is it? So all I need to do is come here and replace it, right? Come here and replace this. I'm still waiting for it. So give it a name. You can say email, or let me say sweet automated email. Just give it a name, right? Give it a name. So this is my key. Copy the key, then you come here. Now you need to replace the key here. Can you see? So just remove what is here, and then you do what? Then you paste the key. Now can you see? Everybody can see my key. But normally, if I'm doing this professionally, I don't do this way. That's how you can hide it. We call it under something property, update something property. I've forgotten something property. But because this is more like a beginner class, so I'm just doing it in the simplest form, right? Good. But normally, API key ought to be private. If I give you this key, you can use my credit, AI credit. Good. So after this class, I'm going to delete it, so you're not able to use it, right? So good. So you can come here, just go through it. They'll just to see, Then you do what? You click on save. Now it will not work. Why? You need to do a trigger. You need to do what? Add a trigger. What will start the automation? So you come here, trigger. Can you see? Click on trigger. Then you customize your trigger. So I'm going to click on create a new trigger. Now, if it was months, you click on event source, you click on time driven, and then you come to this part that says hour. Then you change it to what? 2 months. But for this class, we cannot be doing months now because everybody wants to see the results. So I'm going to use minutes. I'm going to use minutes. I want to see the feedback like no. Now, can you see? If I select minutes, I'm going to see every minute. Now, do you want to be getting email every minute? I will say no. Let's make it every 5 minutes. Can you see? And I will click on save. Now you are done. You are done. Okay, the last part is authorization. Yeah, authorization. Yes, authorization is very, very important. Just say yes, allow. You're good to go. And that's all. That's all. Automated monthly AI newsletter. It generates the content, edit the content, fine-tune it to suit your brand, send it out to your customers every month. This is taking more time than usual, but let's just wait. When you get to this part that says Google hasn't verified this app, just click on advanced, scroll down, click on click on it. When you click on it, it will then, yes, don't worry about the call to action, we've already done that. So click here. Why is it taking more time? Click here. Okay, so it's going. It's taking more time, but let's just wait. Okay, great. So at this part, just scroll down, click on allow. When you click on allow, we are done. We are done. Good. So now your trigger is set up. Your trigger is set up. As simple as this. Then you come here and then you run it just once. You run it. Now, if you don't want to run from here, I can do it in a way that it can run it from, it will create a tab here, like a tab on this Google Sheet, and then you can just click on run. But today class is just minimal. So let us go back here and click on run. Hey, there are a lot of error. There are a lot of error. It's an invalid AI, invalid API. Can you see the error? Invalid API. Invalid API. Let me come back here and check. So let me copy the API again. Copy it again. Come back here. Let me paste it. Highlight it. Sorry, highlight it. Let me delete it and then Control V. So it's saying invalid API. So let me run it again. It's still giving me that error again. No, this is Google AI Studio, not OpenAI. Mr. Man, have you seen it? Google AI Studio.
Yeah, but the AppScript is showing OpenAI.
The app is doing OpenAI. Hey, thank you so much. Thank you so much. That means it was OpenAI we give the prompts. Thank you so much. I love the fact that they are following me. Can you see? I'm using ChatGPT and I'm inputting Google. There's no how it can work now. There's no how it can work. Thank you so much. Now, I don't need to stress myself. Just come back here and say, I want to use Google Gemini. Not Gemini, Google API key. I want to use Google API key, not Open AI. Then you say, give me the full script. Thank you so much, Mr. Emmanuel. Give me the full app script. Now, do you see? Thank you so much, Mr. Emmanuel. So I can copy and paste. Can you see? Thank you so much, Mr. Emmanuel. So if I keep doing this tomorrow, it will not work. It will not work. Of course, ChatGPT is different from Gemini, right? They're different. They're different. Google is different from Gemini. What am I saying again? OpenAI, ChatGPT is different from Google. So I'm also using OpenAI. So of course, if you also have access to OpenAI, you can also. So for OpenAI, it's not free. You need to buy AI credits. You can buy $5, $10, whichever one you want. And of course, it's pay as you go, right? It's also pay as you go. Thank you so much, Mr. Emmanuel. I don't know. I'm just so grateful. Now, good. So now we now have the Gemini version, right? We have the Gemini. So let me just copy Control A, Control V. What am I pasting again? Let me copy it again. Copy. Is it done? Let me check. Okay, it's done. Copy. Good. Control V. Good. Good. So I'll come here. I will copy this. Now I will paste the what? The API here. Good. Control V. I've pasted it. What am I doing for crying out loud? I'm doing so hold on, please. Let me copy it again. Copy. So come here, Control V. I pasted it. Right? I pasted it. So let me come back to this part. So let me go and get my key, my key, my key. So come here, highlight it, and I do what? Paste it. Now, there is a mistake from ChatGPT. If you go and read Google documentation, you agree with me that there is no longer Gemini 1.5 Flash. Mr. Emmanuel, do you agree? There is no longer 1.5. So I will change it to what? To 2.5. Even 2.5, I got a memo that they might even stop it by by May. So these are like different models, right? A different model. Good. So I'll click on save, and then you click on run. Click on run. Right? Click on run. Now I expect to start getting emails because it's taking more time now. So check your email, check your inbox. So please, the way we did it yesterday, please screenshot a copy of the email to the main group. Just a screenshot to the main group. So my phone is close to me. I'm going to be checking your screenshot. So please check your email, check your email, check your email. Check your email, share your screenshots, check your email, share your screenshots on the WhatsApp group. On the WhatsApp group. I'm not seeing it. Nobody has sent theirs. Does it mean you have not received it? I expect it to have received it. Check your email, share screenshots. 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 Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Can you see? Sweet loan. Dear Johnson, we understand that achieving your financial goals, whether it's consolidating debts, funding, home, this and this and this, our aim is to provide you a quick, reliable, straightforward access to loan you need, tailored to your unique this and this, flexible payment, fast approval. Even myself, I love this email. Like, it's even making me to go on. Please, I'm expecting more. I'm expecting more screenshots. I'm expecting more screenshots. Thank you so much, Mr. Johnson. But I'm expecting more. I'm expecting more. I'm expecting more. Please, I don't know. Are we having another audience tonight? I'm expecting more. Yes, I'm going to get it, sir. Mr. Dekunle, I've seen that yours have been sent. And I know what he's doing. Yeah, I know what he's doing. This is not what I want. Hold on, please. Let me stop it. Stop. Now, some of you will have received, some of you will not have received. People like, let me just check from the back end. People like Mr. Obi, is he on the call? He has received. Mr. Johnson has received. Now there's something that he's doing. I can see from my back end. Let me just show you the way it appears on my back end, because we're all here to learn. And let's figure it out together. I want to show you something. I need to show you, because you might also encounter it. Let me show you from the back end. Let me come to send. So this from the sender email. Let me show you something. And also to tell you why some of you are not getting the email and why it's also taking more time. Let me quickly show you. Let me also stop this trigger. Where's my trigger? Hold on, please. Because if I don't stop this trigger, it will start sending it after 5 minutes. Hold on, please. Let me stop the trigger. Let me just say Let me just take it to 30 minutes. Let me just change the time to 30 minutes. I want to show you something. Please listen carefully. That's why it's always very important to test. Now, this is the back end showing those who have received email. So, of course, we sent this email. It started with Mr. Johnson. Now, please listen to this. Started with Mr. Johnson. That's no. Yes, that's Mr. Johnson. That's this evening. That's this evening, right? Sweet loan, right? I'll click on it. Yes, I want to show you something. Yes, let's just listen. So if I click on sweet loan, now look at what Mr. Johnson received. This is what Mr. Johnson O received. I don't know Mr. Johnson O. That's Ajebede Johnson, right? One of us. You are also here. You are here, Mr. Johnson. Good. Can you see? In today's fast world, financial agility is the key. Whether you are looking to complete your loan and this and this and this. So this is what Mr. Johnson got. Can you see? In today's fast-paced world. Good. Now the next student, which is after Mr. Johnson, this is Mr. Obi. It's not on the call now. Oh, I'm not sure. Look at it. Mr. Obi got another email. Look at it. Life journey often present unexpected opportunities and challenges. And sometimes a little financial support can make all the difference. At Swiss Loan, we believe in this and this and this and this. And you can see. Now, he generated another copy of email to Mr. Obi Okafor. I don't know who is on this call. Now, again, look at another person again. Miss Esther, are you here? Esther is not here. Esther Chichi or Esther Ezebugu. Can you see? Another email again. We understand life with this and 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 this. Explore opportunity today. And that email. Now, who can tell me what is going on here? Mr. Onyedikachi Kingsley. Are you here, Mr. Kingsley? He's not here too. Life often presents exciting opportunity and this and this. And I see another copy of email. Apply now. Who can tell me what is going on here? Anybody? I want to know. Mr. Emmanuel, can you say something? Mr. Emmanuel.
Yes, sir. I think he's picking the emails one after the other, then maybe prompting the AI to create for each specific person or something. That's what I think.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Now, this method is not the best method. It's never the best method. Thank you so exactly. Exactly. It's generating different email for different. This one will chop your AI credits. It's not the best method. It's never. In fact, the last one I did, the customer said, the guy said I should do for 4,700 emails. Now imagine I'm doing this method. It will exhaust the entire AI. In fact, I'm not even sure. I guess that will exhaust it even now. Mr. Gideon, hold on. We are troubleshooting something that is important. You're going to get email. Getting email is not the problem. Getting email is not the problem. It's the list. But let's understand exactly the list. But let's understand what is going on here. Now, can you see? This is not the best method. What do I do? It's very simple. Just go back. Can even copy the entire code and say, come back and describe it to AI. And say, AI, I don't want that method though. Tell AI, get the email once and send it to all the email list. So that means go and prompt API once. And then that same content, send it to all the what? The customers. Tell AI, I do not, no, I don't know. I'm not good at speaking English. I do not want it to generate unique email content to each lead. Then you say, how do I say it again? Grab, no, I did not use grab. Are you saying, hey, English? Okay, get the email. I don't want to use drafts because I don't want to confuse my AI. Get the email once from the API and send it to all the what email leads. That's where I want it. Grab it once and send to everybody. Yes. So with this one, it will not consume your AI credits, right? Then you now paste the code. So you paste the code, and then beneath it, then you now say, let it give you the full AppScript. So please give me the full app script so I can copy and paste. Hit enter. Now, do you see? Please, do you see? Good. So now, if you are doing your own also, you might encounter this, right? It's possible you might encounter this. So now, can you see? Got it? You want one image generated once and then sent to all each, not regenerating per user. Exactly. Not regenerating per user. And exactly that's what I want. So good. I'll click on copy. Then I will come here. I will do everything that is here. I will do what? I will paste the new one. Good. So I'll click on run. Now, check your email. I'm going to get an email now. I'm going to get an email now. So let me see from the back end also. I'm suspecting something. My AI credits may not last. I might try to change my account, but let us wait and let's see. So that's basically how to do it. Actually, that's basically how to do it. Let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. Nobody's getting email. I'm not seeing anything from the back end. Okay. It's going. 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 So I believe everybody should have an email now. Oh no, not yet. Okay, it's still sending. It's still sending. So it's sending. So you're going to get an email, Mr. Johnson. You can. Hey, I still don't like what is going on here. It's telling me I've exhausted my API. It's telling me I've exhausted my API. So that's the error message here. Now, hold on, please. Let me check my account. So that's Google for you. So with Google, there's always a daily token. So I've exhausted my API for today. So let me switch accounts to another email. So I can just generate an API key. So let me use, hey, hold on, please. Let me quickly do that on my, let me do that here. Google API key. So yes, hold on, please. Let me quickly do that using my second screen, and I can grab the API key. Just a moment, please. Let me use my second account. So can you see? So we are getting this error. That means I've exhausted it for today. Can you see? Gemini API quarter rate limit. So on your Gemini, there's always daily limit. So I've exhausted it for today. So till tomorrow. So I can also use OpenAI actually. I have credit on OpenAI, but I want to use Gemini so that everybody can see the same thing I'm doing. Okay, so it's coming up. It's coming up. So I don't feel it understood what I meant. Control A, Control C. So let me go back to GPT. I don't feel it understood what I meant. So let me say, let me just say this. I want the email content to be generated once and then send it to all the email leads. Right? Good. Now give me the full AppScript so I can copy and what and paste directly. Ensure, let me just add this to it because I can see that some emails are not professional. Ensure the email is professional, right? Using HTML and CSS. Okay, so let's see that. Let's see that. So I want all you to do it again for me. Okay. So it's generating that for me. So click on copy. Then I'll come back to this space, Control A, Control V. Then let me change my API key. So now as email under script, so let me change my API key. So now I'm using another account. So let me see if I can use this API key. I'm using another account. I've exhausted my API for today. So I have another key now. So click on save. So now I can run it, right? I can run it. So let's run it and let's see. Let's run it. So please check your email. Check your email. Let me refresh from here. Yes. So now can you see? This one is extremely fast. What's going on? It's only one person that is getting this email. It's only one person. Oh no, not one. Everybody. Everybody got the email. Everybody got the email. Everybody got the email. I've seen it. Everybody got it. Everybody got it. Everybody got it. Everybody got it. Please screenshot and send. Let me see what GPT gave you. Thank you so much. 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 Yes, thank you so much. I appreciate you. Yes, now can you see? We've been able to get it. But there are some few things I'm just seeing in this email that I don't really like. I'm seeing some ugly, but some ugly. It's better, but it's not like it's the best. Don't forget, it's like version 1. We can do it again. Version 2, we can do it again. Version 3. Of course, I would love to take feedback, but I would love to also stop here. But of course, without seeing it, now the next thing you need to do is you need to come to this part and do the trigger, right? I can do for every minute. Let me come here, click here. I can click on every minute. I've told you to 30 minutes. If I do every minute, you'll be getting email every minute, different emails. It's not in the mail. Yes. So please, all of those feedbacks, you can work on it for version 2. Just don't do it yesterday, right? I'll take feedback tonight, but permit me, because of time, I will not take feedback, right? I will not take feedback. But please, all of your feedback, I've told you how to do it now. This is yesterday. Copy it, give to GPT, and then it helps you modify it. So please let me cancel the trigger so that I don't spam your email account, right? With email. I don't spam your email account. So let me stop that. Now, can you see? Click on trigger, make it monthly, generate the content, and send it out across to all your customers. 100% automated. 100% automated. Let's continue our slide and let's wrap up this section. It has been a beautiful one. So now we've seen how this project works. We've seen how this project works. Very fantastic, right? Very, very fantastic. We've seen how to set it up, building the newsletter system. We've seen step by step on how to build it. We've seen how to use Google Sheets. We've seen how to enable Gemini API. We did that by coding. We saw how we can prompt AI to help us generate the content, personalize it, configure it, and automatically style it, and then send it across to our customer. Now, there's a part that I know really show you. I'm so sorry about that, which is very, very important. Now, if the email, let's say you have issues with the email, you don't really like it, maybe the way it's being customized, the way it's personalized, you can change it from these prompts. And this is the prompt. This is what is using to craft the email monthly. This part, can you see this prompt? This part, this is what is using to craft the email. This part, can you see? You are an expert email marketing copywriter and financial this and this. You are to do this and this. So you can come here to add. If I want the email to be longer than this, I can come here and say, make it 250 characters to 500. Personalize it. Come here and define it. If there's any part that is not suit your brand, come here and do what? And modify it. You can edit it. Can you see? You can edit it. You can edit it from here. So can you see? Apply CTA this and this and this. All of this, you can modify it from there. So it's a fantastic moment, and I believe you've learned one or two. So please, if you have questions, please do you want to raise your hand? Let me attend to just 2 questions as we proceed. Just 2 questions before I proceed. Yes, Mr. Johnson, please, your question.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, my question is around Claude, because I tried to register on Claude yesterday so that I can also use the prompt from Claude for yesterday project, but I'm having challenges. I put my mail, it said my mail will be verified, then asked for a phone number, which I changed the country to Nigeria, put my Nigerian phone number, but he said he cannot send the code to that number. So I just need clarification to register for Claude. What did we need to do?
Okay, thank you so much. I also got that feedback from somebody today, and the person was saying Claude is requesting for phone number for verification. I'm also surprised, also getting that from you. So I don't know why. Please, you can just check online. When I registered my cloud account, there was something like that. So I don't know if it's a new policy or new, I don't know. So I got that also today from somebody, and you are the second person. So please just check online to be very sure if there's modification in the way. And of course, I don't know, but I feel it should not be only phone number. There should be other ways you can use to authenticate. But I'm also going to do that research personally to know why you are getting that. So maybe I can now share on the group. We are together in the community, so I can share anytime I'm able to come up with you. Okay, so thank you so much. It's a beautiful section. Please, before we vote, we're going to vote to tomorrow's project. We have 2 projects and we want to do one. But before we do that, there's actually an offer I want to share with every participant. And what's the offer? Very easy. At Easy Tech, we guide you on AI and automation. In today's class, there's a whole lot I skipped. In fact, API is a topic on its own. But you can see that I literally skip so many things around that. I skip so many things around that. API, we talk about webhook, how do you get API key and all of those things, what are the importance, what are the HTTP requests, the method, the body. There's a whole lot of another topic. More of what I'm doing today is more like a crash course, just going straight. Of course, it's wider than the way I've handled it. If you want to learn more about AI automation, I get to teach you anything. Google AppScript and make.com. We work on 8 projects, 8 within the space of these 2 months. And then you have access to mentorship, you have access to community. All you just need to do is make a deposit. Of course, the actual fee is 100,000 naira, but because you joined this section, we are giving you for 80,000 naira. I have people that actually paid 80,000 naira yesterday. In fact, the lady started yesterday. I was surprised. I was like, you can join the next cohort. She said she wants to join this cohort. The lady is not here. I'm not even sure. I'm not sure if she's here on this call. So please, if you want to secure your spot, you can secure your spot with 80,000 naira. So with 80,000 naira, you have access to certification, the project, the instructor, and every other information, the premium training you get to see in class. And then you don't need to pay 100,000 naira. But after today, please take note, you are paying 100,000 naira. But if you want to secure your spot, you can secure your spot with 40,000 naira tonight as a part payment, and you can join April cohort, whichever cohort you want to join. So please, If you want to join, and the account number will be shared with you, make your payment automatically. Immediately you make your payment, you will see automated receipts, you will see admission letter, you will see your passports, sorry, I said passports, ID cards, and then you also see the link to join the community. Everything is automated. Your onboarding automated. That's how we've customized it. So these are like few projects I'm going to work on in the space of these 8 months. You have seen, yesterday we focus on health, today we focus on loan, tomorrow we want to vote, right? What projects are we building? Now, we want to do something together. As we wrap up this section, we have option A, we have option B. You decide tomorrow's project. I have to prepare for you. Now, let me start with option A. Automated invoicing and receipt generation. Most times, when you make payment, you don't get receipts. But you can create a system that can automatically generate receipts. You can create a system. Let's say you have a customer, you have a client, and then, hold on, I'm not told to vote. Let me explain so that everybody will understand the project first. Everybody is saying, hold on, please, hold on. I'm still going to allow you to. Let me continue. So, automated invoicing. So, let's say you have a customer who wants to patronize you. You don't need to be sending your account number to them via your email, and via your WhatsApp or no. You can email invoice to them. When they make their payment, automatically it generates receipts. And then the way we have built it is fantastic. We have one that we are using currently at EasyTech. It's fantastic. My friend will have testified now. I don't know. You can share a screenshot of your email, your payment to them. Let them see how sleek it is, how beautiful, how professional it is. 100% automated. And in fact, we can do something tomorrow. Let's say if the cost is 100,000 naira and you pay 80,000 naira, after 1 month, by itself, it will send you a reminder email that, hello, your balance is remaining 20,000 naira, and it will send you the invoice. If you want to pay in naira, if you want to pay in dollar, if you want to pay via Paystack link, automated invoicing and receipt generator. That's the first project. Now, the truth is, you are not doing anything, no. All you need to do is set it up, and then everything will be done automatically. Now, option B, let me just gist you. When I used to work, I was celebrated twice. My birthday used to be March 11, that is 03/11. But this year, that year, I was celebrated twice. I was celebrated March, I was celebrated again November. Do you know why? Because it was done manually. You just send me an email, right? So, and I celebrated my birthday a few weeks ago. Some people were asking me, hello, Mr. Israel, please send us your picture. I was just smiling. I said, no. But we can create a system whereby everybody will fill the form. Give us your picture, give us your date of birth, give us your name. Then we set up the workflow. Then your birthday, automatically, it will send you what? A personalized birthday wishes. Let's say you have like 1 million customers. And then, of course, people want to be celebrated. Most times, I'm not excited when Access Bank, Zenith Bank, and all of these banks, when they celebrate you. And I feel like, wow, so this bank means I'm doing birthday. All of those things. So you can also do that for your customers, whereby automatically it celebrates them, automatically send a personalized email or birthday celebration wishes to them. And of course, this can help to also build loyal customers. Retention is also like a strategy for retention tools. So now we want to vote, and please, the highest have it. The highest have it. So now let me draw a line. Let me first of all draw a line. Don't vote, no vote, no. I've drawn the line. Now, so after this line, we want the vote to now go. So please, you are only to vote just once. Just once. So you don't do it 2 times or 3 times, just once. I don't want to see A. No. If it's A, just pick A and that's all. If it's B, just pick B, so that we'll just count and we're good to go. Everybody is picking A. Okay. So you don't want to do birthday celebration. So the A's, they have it. The A, they have it. So tomorrow will be the day 3 for a free AI and automation masterclass. But please ensure to complete today's project. Ensure to complete today's project. So please, you are owing me 2 assignments. Complete your assignment, share it on the group. I want to see it. And one thing I've discovered, most of you are sharing screenshots. Yes, I like screenshots, but also attach the link. Right? Attach the link, especially for yesterday's project. Also, attach the link to the project so that I can see, I can also test. All right, that will be all for now. So please, for those who are interested in taking our course, I can't wait to see you join our training. I want to see him in our masterclass. Our masterclass is superb. Mr. Dekunle, come and join Easy Tech Masterclass. And others, Mr. Emmanuel, I don't know you, but it's like you're very smart, you're very sound. I also love to have you in our masterclass. And to everybody also, I don't want to be biased. Everybody. So please, the account number will be shared by the community manager. So please make your payment. You can make down payment so I can join January. But please, after tonight, the course fee goes back to 100,000 naira. It's a fantastic session tonight. I appreciate everyone who have joined. Please, let it go beyond theory. Do it for free for people. Deploy it. Do it for yourself. Do it for your brand. 100% free. Using vibe coding, prompt engineering to set up tools that can give you more customers. That'll be all for now. Do take care of yourself. See you tomorrow. Same time, same venue. That'll be all for now. Take care of yourself. Bye.